Machine Shop Tech Talk. My name's Arthur and I help people keep their spindles turning and earning, and I'd like to do the same for you. That way you can achieve your dreams. Today's tech is coolant. Now, as a machinist or an operator, chances are you use it every single day. But do you know how to keep your coolant from becoming an obstacle and causing unplanned downtime? I don't know if it's ever happened to you, where you're running the machine, you've got that rush, you're just trying to get out the door to finish for the customer by the end of the day. Suddenly, your machine starts foaming, it overflows, it's on the floor, you gotta clean it up, it's unplanned. Your customer doesn't get their parts. Foul odors in the morning, dermatitis, staining on your materials, seals breaking down on your machine. What can you do to prevent your coolant becoming an obstacle like that? How can you make it a true liquid tool? Well, I've got 6 points to go over with you that once implemented will have you on your road to excellence. The shops that have already implemented these 6 points are now on their way to over 7 years without unplanned downtime, and over 7 years again without a sump dump. So if you're ready, let's go over how Blaser and I can help you achieve this goal. What you're gonna see on the screen here is the 6 key points that we are about to cover. You will see that number 6 is preventative maintenance, and I'm gonna come to that at the end because that's really what ties this all together and makes it possible. Water quality. This is point number 1 because with Blaser, this is where we start. We'll come in, get an 8-ounce sample of your water to send off to their labs for analysis, as well as the information such as materials and machines that you'll be running. This is the key point because your water composition can affect the chemical stability of your coolant, and we want to make sure that we get you started with a game plan for success. Number 2, pH balance. Now, every coolant has a range it needs to run at. If it's too acidic or it's too alkaline, this is going to cause you troubles like bacteria, foaming, foul odor, dermatitis, which are all the things we want to avoid. Number 3 is bacteria control. This is tied to your water source, to your pH balance, to the concentration you're running. They're all related. Working with Blaser, the Blaser Coolant line has a unique approach. What they do is instead of putting in tons of harsh chemicals, they actually promote the growth of good bacteria like you would find on your skin or in your drinking water. The promotion of the growth of this good bacteria prevents any room for the bad bacteria to enter your system. Now, the bacteria can enter from the operator, their hands, coughing. So coughing, sneezing, the materials, your way loops, there's a lot of places that bad bacteria can get inserted into your system. And the promotion of that good bacteria by the Blaser Coolant series really keeps everything in check. Number 4 is concentration in your tank. This is measured by running the coolant and then putting your refractometer into the stream and removing it and turning it off. Measuring it this way lets you ensure the concentration in your tank and also helps keep in check to make sure you're where you need to be for the materials and the operations that you're doing. This is going to save you money, help keep everything balanced, like your pH, your bacteria. The next point is your top off. Now I'm talking about the percentage you top off at, which is very low depending on your Brix multiplication factor or your refractometer factor. That should be available on your PIDS, your product information data sheet. This is going to help save you money. This is going to help making sure that your machine's running, then that your operators are avoiding dangerous operations such as adding direct water or direct concentrate to your tank, both of which wreak havoc on your system. So if you've got anyone doing them, stop them now. Number 6, we have preventative maintenance. It outlines all the points 1 through 5, and then how you can tackle them on a daily, weekly, monthly, biannual, and annual basis. This is going to let you set up a system for success that's going to take a minimum time investment every day, and it's going to prevent ever having any unplanned downtime, which is a big win. Working with Blaser and I, it's going to let you leverage our experience and our systems to get the processes in place that you need to go to a route where you have no unplanned downtime. I don't know if you've ever had struggles with foaming or odor when you start, especially in the morning or after a long time off. I don't know if you've ever struggled with dermatitis. For me, I've had a long struggle with dermatitis. My hands were dry, they were cracking, they were bleeding on the prints. It's one of the reasons I'm so passionate, because I want to help prevent anyone ever having to suffer with this condition again. And Blaser's a great line to do that. Would you like to go several years without dumping your sump? Would you like to avoid unplanned downtime? If any of this sounds good to you, shoot me an email. Let me know how I can support you and I can help you. If you're on your path to excellence, if you didn't like it, give me that thumbs down, that dislike. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up. Let me know I'm doing a good job so I can keep bringing value for you guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, wherever I choose to put the subscribe button this week, click that so you don't miss out on another video and a chance to improve. And of course, please feel free to share me with your friends so we can all join that path. I am passionate about bringing more manufacturing back to North America. I want to see our economy thrive. I want to see it grow. I want to see us leading the lives that we know we're capable of. Until next time, please keep those spindles turning.